In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song I Hope by Gabby Barrett featuring Charlie Puth, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song together. Now before we can play the song I Hope, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, we're going to learn 4 chords in order to play this song. And those chords are D minor, F major, C major, and B flat major. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord for this song is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the third string of the second fret. This is D minor. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the third fret. This is C major. And the last chord for the song is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the first string of the first fret, take your third finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, then take your fourth finger and press down on the fourth string of the third fret. This is B flat major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be D minor for 8 beats, F major for 8 beats, C major for 8 beats, and B flat major for 8 beats. Let's play through our chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, D minor, down strum, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, F major, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C major, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B flat major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the D minor chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, down strum, go. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. And now let's combine that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, D minor, down strum, ready, go. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Now that we're into the chords, the chord progression, and the strum pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through I Hope. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I hope she makes you smile the way you made me smile on the other end of a phone in the middle of a highway driving alone. Oh baby, I hope you hear a song that makes you sing along and gets you thinking about her. Then the last several miles turn into a blur. I hope you both feel the sparks by the end of the drive. I hope you know she's the one by the end of the night. I hope you never ever felt more free. Tell your friends that you're so happy. I hope she comes along and wrecks every one of your plans. I hope you spend your last dime to put a rock on her hand. I hope she's wilder than your wildest dreams. She's everything you're ever gonna need. And And then I hope she cheats like you did on me. And then I hope she cheats like you did on me. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for I Hope. And that's your play I Hope by Gabby Barrett featuring Charlie Puth. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, which brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the You Can You community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's completely free, and it's available to all Android and Apple devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can.